Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials and then take the first corrective steps. Check that your device is on a current iOS version and on stable Wi-Fi. Make sure date and time are set to automatic because mismatched time often blocks Apple services. Once done, verify your Apple ID credentials and whether two-factor authentication is required. Next, restart the device to clear temporary blocks. After reboot, open Settings and go directly to your name to see if the Apple ID option is still grayed out. Now you work through the more complex middle steps to remove configuration blockers. First, attempt to sign out of iCloud. If prompted, choose to keep a local backup because signing out clears account data from the device. If that fails, reset network settings to remove corrupted network state that can gray out account options. Also inspect screen time restrictions and any installed profiles or MDM. These can intentionally disable Apple ID changes. If you remove a profile, make sure you have necessary admin credentials before proceeding. Finish by restoring access and handling persistent issues. If settings and profile removals didn't work, back up your data and perform a full restore via Finder or iTunes. Use DFU mode only if standard recovery fails, because a clean restore removes deep system faults. Once restored, sign back in and re-enable two-factor authentication to secure your account and verify iCloud and App Store services. If the Apple ID remains blocked, contact Apple support with your device serial and purchase proof. They can clear activation locks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.